Hello friends, welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we are going to look into exercise 5.3 question 3 bit 2 from chapter 5 called arithmetic progression. So let's see what exactly is given in question number 3 bit 2. Now moving on to question number 3 bit 2, it is given that in an AP given A is equal to 7, A13 is equal to 35, find D and S13. Now let us see how we can solve this question. Solution. So friends, here we are going to find out the value of D and S13, and the given data is like A is equal to 7, A13 is equal to 35. So with the help of these two informations, we are going to find out D and S13. So let us first note down whatever the values we have or whatever the values they have given. A is equal to 7 is being given and A13 is equal to 35 is being given. So A13 is equal to 35. With this two info in hand, we are going to find out, or we are going to solve this question to find out D and S3. So guys, we very well know that A2, in order to find, because this form definitely this is going to form, or this forms an arithmetic progression. So for arithmetic progression sequence, we need to, if we add this common difference to the current term, we are going to find out the next term. That's what I am writing here. Let me name this A7, that is A1. This is the first term they have given. So I can write A2 is equal to A1 plus D. Okay. Now actually, as per the question, we are going to find out D and Sn. So we very well know that if we add a common difference to A1, we are going to find out A2. Similarly, if we add want to find out A3, then we need to add common difference to A2, that is A2 plus D. You could see that here A3 is equal to A2 plus D. I can write that one as this A2 is nothing but A1 plus D. So I can write here that A1 plus D, just replacing the value of A2 here in A2. A1 plus D, that is equal to A1 plus 2D. Okay. Now guys, we are able to find out A3 is equal to A1 plus 2D. You could see the logic here, like if it is A2, we are getting 1D. If it is A3, we are getting 2D. Similarly, if I write A13, we should get as A1 plus 12D, just one less than the term. So A13 is equal to A1 plus 12D. Now replacing the values what we have with us, we have A13 as 35 and A1 as 7 plus 12D, or I can write 12D is equal to 35 minus 7, that is equal to 28, or D is equal to 28 by 12, that is equal to 28 by 12, that is equal to 4 3s are 12, 4 7s are 28, 7 by 3. So guys, therefore we are able to find out the value of D as 7 by 3. So this is one part of the question. So I can now write D as 7 by 3. This is what we found here now. Now with the help of this D, we are going to find out the value of S13. So again we are going to use our formula 2S13 is equal to n into A1 plus A13. With that thing we are going to find out. So I can write 2Sn, just I am writing the formula first so that it will be easy to just replace the data, is equal to n into A1 plus An. Here the value of n is 13 because they have asked us to find out S13. So here the value of n is 13 because they have asked us to find out S13. So I can write 2S13 is equal to 13 into A1 is 7 plus, or I can write it in this way. First of all, let me this is the process that we can write in our question paper or in our answer sheet, A1 plus A13, so that the examiner will not feel confused. So this is what 2S13 is equal to 13 into A1 plus A13. Just I am replacing the value of n with 13. Now I can write 2S13 is equal to 13 into A1 is 7 plus A13 is 35. Or I can write 2S13 is equal to 13 into 42. Or I can write 2S13 is equal to 13 into 42 by 2. Just guys bringing this 2 to the right side. So I can write this one as 13 into 21 because this 42 cancels off with this 2 and we are getting 13 into 21. So just solving this, I can write 13 ones are 13, 13 2s are 26, 273. Just I can write this as 273. Therefore we found out the value of S13 is equal to 273. So that's all guys. This is the answer that we are looking for, and I can write S13 as 273. Hope guys you understood this calculation. Again, this calculation is a very easy one. If you have any questions or concerns, kindly write to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.